The Grammy Awards for Best Album is presented annually to recording artists for quality works in the various music genres since 1958 and was originally called the Gramophone Awards. It is presented by the National Academy of Recording Arts and Sciences of the United States to honor artistic achievements, technical proficiency, and overall excellence in the recording industry without regard to album sales or chart position. The Jamaican group Black Uhuru received the first award in 1985. Ziggy Marley holds the record for the most wins in the category with 7 wins as of 2017. Before we proceed, smash the like button to pieces. Leave a comment, please share the life out of this video. Feel free to subscribe for more content. Remember to turn on your notification so as to never miss another video.
Let's do it.
So as I mentioned earlier, the category for Best Reggae Album was introduced at the Grammys in 1985, and the first Jamaicans to have been awarded the Grammy was the group Black Uhuru, which was awarded for the album entitled Anthem. In 1986, the award went to Jimmy Cliff for the album entitled Cliffhanger. 1987 saw Steel Pulse winning the award for the album entitled Babylon the Bandit. In 1988, the Stepping Racer Peter Tosh won with No Nuclear War. In 1989, Ziggy Marley and the Melody Makers with the album entitled Conscious Party. Ziggy Marley and the Melody Makers doubled the following year in 1990, where they were awarded again for the album entitled One Bright Day. In 1991, Bunny Wailer was awarded the Grammy for the album entitled Time Will Tell, a tribute to Bob Marley. 1992 saw Shabba Ranks winning with the album entitled As Raw As Ever. He doubled in 1993 with the album entitled Extra Naked. In 1994, Inner Circle won with the album entitled Bad Boys. 1995, Bunny Wailer won again with Crucial Roots Classics. In 1996, Shaggy won with the album entitled Mr. Boombastic. In 1997, Bunny Wailer with All of Fame, a tribute to Bob Marley's 50th anniversary. In 1998, Ziggy Marley and the Melody Makers again with Fallen is Babylon. In 1999, Sly and Robbie with the album entitled Friends. 2000 saw Burning Spear winning with Calling Rastafari. 2001, Beanie Man with the album entitled Art and Life. In 2002, Damien Junior Gang Marley with one of my most favorite albums of all time, Halfway Tree, winning. In 2003, Lee Scratch Perry won with Jamaican E.T. 2004, Sean Paul with his Dirty Rock album being awarded the Grammy. 2005, Toots and the Maytals with the album entitled True Love. 2006, Damien Junior Gang Marley again with Welcome to Jamrock. 2007 saw Ziggy Marley winning with Love Is My Religion. 2008, Stephen Marley with Mind Control. 2009, Burning Spear with Jah Israel. 2010, Stephen Marley again with Mind Control, the acoustic version. 2011 saw Buju Banton being awarded the Grammy for the album entitled Before Dawn. I think Buju Banton should have been awarded the Grammy in 2010 for his album Rasta Got Soul, but there was massive demonstrations in the United States for his song entitled Boom Bye Bye, so he wasn't awarded, but he came back in 2011 to win. In 2012, Stephen Marley again with Revelation Part 1, The Root of Life, lovely name. 2013, Jimmy Cliff again with Rebirth. In 2014, Ziggy Marley with the album entitled In Concert. In 2015, Ziggy Marley doubled again with Fly Rasta. In 2016, Morgan Heritage with Strictly Roots. And in 2017, another Marley, Ziggy Marley again, winning with the album entitled Ziggy Marley.
Beat and teach, so beat and teach, so beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach. Beat and teach, Girl, beat and teach.
So an artist with the surname Marley has won the Grammy on 12 occasions. There's a popular saying that if you're nominated for the Grammy with a Marley, you can forget about it because chances are they will win, and the records would suggest that. You understand? I am of the firm opinion and belief that the best album is not always awarded the Grammy. Best album in terms of body of work, quality of work. You understand what I say? But it is what it is. I mean, it is the holy grail for many musicians and Jamaicans and a whole sees the Grammy as being one of the most prestigious thing a musician can ever attain in their lives. So we'll see what will happen as we move forward, and we see who the nominees will be for 2018. And we are also seeing where other nationalities are being nominated in the reggae category who are not Jamaican. So that is another beef or bone for contention. But it is what it is. Music is universal, innit? So we'll see how it goes. I'm out. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.